Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Cheryl Johnson with HeyGurlTV, and on today's video we're going to talk about how to pick a fragrance and also how to pick an outfit to go with it. So if you're interested in hearing how I come up with my outfit ideas and my perfume and how I make everything just kind of come together in full circle, keep watching. Okay guys, so I don't know how you do it, but this is how I do it. The first thing I do, if I know I'm going to be going somewhere special or I have an event or just getting ready for the day, I like to base my outfit around my perfume. So today I'm choosing the Baccarat Mason Francis Kirkjohn Baccarat. This fragrance is perfect for the fall and winter season. It is a little bit hefty on the price, but it's well worth it. It's so funny, I'm gonna tell you a little story. My aunt, she came last Christmas. Auntie Sue, shout out, hey girl. Oh my gosh. She came and I was telling her about like my fragrance collection. I was like, girl, I spent like blah, 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 on this perfume. She was like, girl, you crazy. I would never spend that kind of money on no perfume. So I gave it to her. She's like, girl, she was still talking, you know, girl, girl, you crazy. And she was like, yeah. And she immediately got on her cell phone and ordered the entire set, okay? So this is how good this is. This is good. You can't go wrong with Mason Francis Kirkjohn Baccarat 540. You cannot go wrong. This is a showstopper. It's for the woman that has like the utmost confidence in the world. She is determined, she is focused, and she loves to smell good. This is the one. Okay, so I picked my fragrance, and then I have to think about like, okay, so where am I going? Am I going to be in close proximity to somebody? Because this is very strong. So I'm an oversprayer. So with this, you don't want to overspray on the Baccarat. I have the lotion and the oil, so that allows me to layer so I don't have to spray so much. But I take into consideration like how close I'm going to be sitting to somebody, what the temperature is going to be. And you know, normally if you're going to be inside, they probably have the air conditioning on, so you might need something to cover your arms. So I take that into consideration. I take the weather into the consideration. So like for this particular perfume, I chose like this dress right here. It's very cute. It'll keep your arms warm, so you don't have to actually have like a jacket or anything if you don't want to take anything, you know, to tug around. It's long. It covers the legs if your legs get cold. And I think this is a really great outfit that will complement the Baccarat because it's classy, it's elegant, it has a sense of style, it's on trend, it's a great color combination for fall. I just think this has everything that you need. It's flowy, it's ladylike, it's feminine, it has everything. And I think it's very sexy too. Once you have it on, once you have it on, it feels really good on the body. It hangs well and it's very flattering. And then I think about my shoe. Will I be standing? Will I be walking a lot? What type of shoe action will I be getting when I go? So with this dress, I normally pair it with the Christian Louboutin. I don't know, this is a new style, so I'm not really sure what this is because it has, you can see the red like on the side, but this is a really great shoe. Nude goes with everything. If you ever have an issue and you don't know what shoe to wear with something, a pair of nude shoes will be just beautifully. Now, these shoes right here, I have to tiptoe in these shoes, girl. I have to tiptoe. And the reason being because the way it's cut, the way he cuts the shoe, he likes to show like the toe cleavage. So the shoe is barely hanging on your foot. So I have to tiptoe in this shoe. I love this shoe. It's great for dancing, but for walking, no. So I would definitely have to be sitting down more than standing or walking. But then the shoe, the jewelry, I always wear a pair of like little diamond. These are clip-ons. My ears are not pierced. And I always wear my Tiffany necklace. This is what my husband gave me. So I have my jewelry down. I have my shoe, my outfit. Now let's talk about your undergarments. Like this one is not very low cut, but you want a bra that's going to have a deep dip. You don't want anything, this is going to fit very closely to the back, so you don't want anything poking out or bulging. So you want to have a bra with a smooth back and a dip, so you won't, you know, you look good in this dress. And then with this, it kind of hugs on the back, but you also want to think about like your undergarments, which is your underwear. You want them to be something that is like a razor cut, that doesn't show any panty lines and things of that nature. Then you want to talk about hair. Okay, y'all see this hair, so this is what I'm rocking right now. So normally with this dress, I don't know, I probably would have one side up, or maybe both sides up, or maybe just kind of all down. So that's something to think about. And then your makeup. Your makeup, you always want to stay, you know, nice and fresh. Something that's going to complement your skin tone. You know, you want to wear makeup to enhance your looks, not to physically just look like a totally different person. I mean, just like on your wedding day, you look so beautiful and then you never get that day back. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but I don't look like I do every day on my wedding day. So you want to do something that is very subtle. I do like a smoky eye. I like to, you know, wear more of a nude lip. I do like the blush, but I do like a heavy pencil under the eye and in the corners. So for me, that would be subtle. But just look your best. Have your makeup nice and neat. You don't want to be over glowy. You know, you want to powder in the right places. Take a compact. And then you also want to think about what purse you're going to be carrying. So with this, I would probably take a nice little small clutch and then just put like my compact, my phone, my keys, my lip gloss, and, you know, a couple of dollars, and just call it a night. So that is how I pick an outfit based on my fragrance. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave them down in the comments. And if you own a pair of red bottoms, go ahead and subscribe, girl, because we are there. We are there. If you like the dress, go ahead and like the video. And if you like everything, go ahead and ring the bell so you'll be notified of any new and additional videos here on this platform, okay? And be sure to follow me. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm under HeyGurlTV. It's just HeyGurlTV. With that being said, I want to say thank you for watching this video. Peace and chicken grease. Bye.